Hey everybody, it's Doug again. This time I'm going to show you how to start a fire with char cloth. You've heard us talk about char cloth. I'm not going to show you how to make char cloth in this video, but it's very easy. I can show you in another video, or you can look it up online on YouTube. It's very, very simple. This time I want to use the striker and the knife again. This time I want to use a bird's nest. I'm going to strike the char cloth and you're going to get a glowing red ember, which you'll need to blow. Then you put it in the bird's nest and you blow and blow and blow. As long as it's smoking, keep blowing, and before you know it, you will have a big flame. Then you can add your small kindling and your large kindling. We're not going to do that this time. I'm just going to show you how to get the flame. Alright, here we go. There, char cloth is wet and burning. And there you go. Fire with char cloth. Put your kindling on.